Hello guys, good day sa inyo lahat. And today, kakatapos ko lang ng work, so tatakbo tayo. And for today's video, we're going to talk about easy pace run, conversational pace. So ito yung mga nasa zone 1, zone 2 effort or heart rate ninyo. And we're going to run about today 8 to, let's say 8K. Yeah, so I could show you yung effort, yung heart rate. And after ng run, papakita ko sa inyo yung watch ko para makita nyo yung effort, kung nasaan yung zone 1, zone 2, para may idea kayo. Alright? Okay, time to warm up. Let's go! Alright, nag-start na tayo ng ating run. And so, eto, we're on our zone 1, zone 1 of our heart rate at saka yung effort natin. So, malalaman mo yung kung easy effort tsaka relax ka lang, kasi yung nakapagsalita ka na maayos, hindi mo hinahabol yung hininga mo, yung parang yung deep breath ka, hindi ganon. So makapagsalita ka kahit na pag may kasama ka, makapagkwentuhan kayo, ganon. Yeah, so recommendation ko sa inyo pag mag-easy run kayo, don't look at the pacing. Don't look at your pace. Pakiramdaman mo yung sarili mo. Pag hinihingal ka, slow down a bit. Yeah. And so minsan yung pacing nagano yan nagbabago-bago, depende sa terrain. And heart rate, ganun din. Basta nandun ka sa zone 1, zone 2, less than threshold, that's great. Right? Okay. Yan. So, we've done our easy run, 8 kilometer, less than 50 minutes. Average pace natin is 6:10. Right? Diba? Okay. Alright, so ito yung isa pang sample ng easy run ko. So yesterday we just finished yung interval training, 800 meter times 8. Yan. So ngayon, following day, normally I'll go with the easy run. Yeah. Alright, so on our recovery run, we did 8 kilometers, 45 minutes. Average pace natin is 5:42. Alright. So, yung dalawang run natin na easy run at saka recovery one, ayun yung dalawang sample na may lalagay nyo sa easy runs of recovery week ninyo. Sa akin yung umpisa nung Monday is a new start ng week. So easy run, iba yung terrain, that's after work. So yeah, so ngayon naman sa second run natin is after natin mag-interval training, yung repeats or tempo run. Normally nagbabago, iniiba-iba ko. Yeah, so 45 minutes easy recovery. Yeah, so that's the two example paano mag-easy recovery. So tandaan, pag mag-easy run kayo, look at your own zone 1, zone 2, on your pace, if kung gusto mo yung pacing, or if you like on the based on your effort level, basta nandun siya sa zone 1, zone 2, less than your threshold, right?